and the sound. It's a very velvety kind of mellow sounding banjo, just jumps up at you. Yeah, I'd definitely bring that home with me. Hi, my name is Karen Dolan. I'm a banjo player from County Cavan and I'm here in the McNeela music shop trying out a couple of banjos. I've got the Viking Banjo here in my hands, and from the minute I lifted it I knew it was good and sturdy, lovely weight to it, you know, it's not too heavy but strong enough that you feel like it's fit for your sessions and your gigs, so I'm looking forward to giving a tune on it. Wow, that's a really easy banjo to play. I would definitely bring that home with me, that's for sure. It's got that good sturdy weight. I'd bring it to a gig and it's very good value. This banjo's gonna last you, and I would definitely recommend anyone who's sure on playing and wants the, I suppose, more intermediate to advanced banjo, this is the one for you. It's definitely easy to slide down the neck. It kind of throws the trebles and the triplets out for you. It's very easy to play. It's a very velvety kind of mellow sounding banjo, and the sound, just, you don't have to try and lean in and hear it. It just jumps up at you and it's fabulous. So I'd really recommend anyone who's taking music seriously to consider giving this a try. Wow. Wow.